Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of the gold miners ETF, ticker symbol GDX. And I will also be going over ticker symbol GDXJ, which is the junior gold miners ETF. But my focus will be on GDX just because there's more history with it going back all the way to 2006. And so looking at this chart, we are looking at the monthly time frame. And so I just wanted to go over a few lines that stand out to me, I think might serve as good guidelines moving into the new year. And so what we have here, basically I see a few touch points here, this line at $29 acting as support, big breakthrough, corresponding with 2008 makes sense. And then we also have this being tested as resistance here in, let's see, 2016. Again, resistance in 2019. And acting as support, kind of bouncing around there. And then I also have this downtrending level of resistance going back to the month of December 2010. And that looks like it has served as resistance in, let's see, August 2020 and April 2022. And then also we do have this uptrending level of support going back to the month of January 2016, testing it again in, let's see, September 2018, a quick breakthrough but bounce above in March 2020, also makes sense with the pandemic. And then let's see, testing it again as support in, let's see, September, October, and November 2022, and a near touch in October 2023. It is quite possible we do see a retest of this uptrending level of support, but we could also see a breakout in the new year. And so if we do zoom in on the chart and actually switch over to the daily time frame, it does look like there is a possibility this will retest $29, so going down from the closing price of the year at $31.01. Also, I do want to note that it does look like there may have been a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern formed here, and possibly one that was formed on a longer time scale with the left shoulder here, head here, kind of an ugly head, and then maybe we'll get a retest of 29 to form that right shoulder, which could, if that is the case, we would have, let's see, from the head up to that neckline, that's about a $7 move. And so if we take that measurement, that could mean that price might be going up to $39, $40 in the new year if it does break out of this larger structure that we see here on the monthly time frame. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about gold miners ETF, but I do think that it's quite possible we might get discounted shares at around a price of $29 before breaking out to the upside, hitting $39, $40 and or higher. And then just briefly going over the GDXJ, this doesn't have as much history, only going back to 2009, but I did recreate the lines that I had drawn on the GDX. Same exact touch points, stuff like that. Structure does look a little different because current price is trading below the horizontal trend line, whereas with GDX it is above. And so that horizontal trend line for GDXJ, I see that being at $45, where we do have multiple tests of that as resistance in the past. So I do think going above $45 for the GDXJ may be tricky because that has served as resistance. But as this uptrending level of support moves closer to $45, we may see a breakout and a move above $45 in 2024. So I do feel like that is pretty encouraging. But, you know, those are my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.